Watch this video and learn how to draw a Squishmallow Bear. Later in the show, watch the gang in a song break. Watch to the end for some of Louie's awesome poetry. You'll love it. Artie, are you ready? Little Artist, are you ready? Come on everyone, let's go. It's Artie's show.
Come on kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, little Artist.
Hello, Artie. You're in a good mood today.
Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
You're welcome. Artie, you know how you really like Squishmallows?
Yeah?
Would you like to draw one today?
Okay. Yeah. Whoa.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Okay, Artie, are you ready to draw a Squishmallow?
I don't really know what I want to draw.
Did you forget? Should I remind you?
Yes, please.
We already agreed we're going to draw a Squishmallow.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. Okay.
Get ready to draw with Artie.
Let's start by drawing a circle in the middle of the page, but just to the left side of the page. That's it, Artie. Now let's draw two really small circles inside that one. One at the top and one near the bottom on the right. That's it. Now shade the inside area in black. Should we go to the store after this, Artie, and get you a brand new Squishmallow?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, yay.
Well, if you're a good boy, that's what we'll do. Good job, Artie. Take your time. Want to shade it all in nice and black. Don't go over the edges. There's no rush. If Artie's going a little too quick for you, little artist, here's a message from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video. That'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thank you, Louie. Very helpful. Okay, Artie. Now let's draw another circle on the right side of the page. Can you guess what these circles are going to be yet, little artists? That's right. They're going to be our Squishmallow's eyes. Don't forget the two little circles inside, Artie. And then shade in everything else black. But don't shade in those little circles. We want to keep those white. Oh, look, everyone. Here comes Bunny Fluffington.
Happy day, Artie!
Oh, hi, Bunny.
Your art is so amazing. It's hopping right into my heart.
Oh,
I'm off to nibble some carrots.
okay.
Bye, Artie.
Bye.
Oh, Bunny is so cute, isn't she, Artie?
Yeah, I suppose.
Now let's add some eyebrows just above these two circle eyes. That's cute, Artie. Now do the same on the right eye. Perfect. Let's draw a curvy triangle-shaped nose. Let's add a small circle inside the nose at the top left side.
Oh, Artie thinks it's time for a song break.
You want a song break?
Yeah, song break! Song break!
Okay.
Let's go!
Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. A banana! Yum, 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 yum.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. An apple! Yum, 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 yum.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Grapes. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am. Watermelon. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Song break! Song break, song break.
That was a fun one.
Oh, yeah.
Did you enjoy it, Artie?
Yeah, really fun.
Or should we finish the drawing now?
Yeah, okay.
Now let's shade in the nose black, just like we did with the eyes, but remember, keep that little circle white. Good job, Artie. I can see you're concentrating. Take your time, there's no rush. We want it filled in really neatly. That's it. Great job. Watch to the end to see some of Louie's famous poetry. It's great. Now let's draw an oval shape around our bear's nose. Top part first, and then the bottom part. Perfect, Artie. Now draw a W shape right underneath the nose. That's his little mouth. Now let's give our Squishmallow a body. Draw a big curved line on the left side going up towards the forehead.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
Now continue all the way across the top of the head. And then let's come down the right side again with a big curved line. Curve in towards the bottom on the left side. And then the same on the right side. And then what we're going to do is connect those two ends together along the bottom, giving us a complete shape.
Well, she has no class, darling. I mean, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Here's a delightful poem about a snowball. Okay, here we go. I made myself a snowball as perfect as could be. I thought I'd keep it as a pet and let it sleep with me. I made it some pajamas and a pillow for its head. Then last night it ran away, but first it wet the bed. Oh, that's a bit cheeky, that one.
Now let's give our Squishmallow Bear a nice big tummy. We're going to draw half an oval shape right inside his body. He's looking cute, Artie. Don't forget the Squishmallow signature heart shape. Oh, here comes Barry. Hi, Barry.
Hi, Artie. Whoa, that drawing's really got rhythm. Just like me. Bup, ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. Bup, bup, ba-doo-ba-doo-boo. Bye.
Thank you, Barry. Don't call us. We'll call you. Okay, Artie, let's add some really cute bear ears onto the top of our Squishmallow Bear. And then let's draw the inside of the ear. Perfect, Artie. Do you think you could do that on the right side now? Try and match the size and the shape to the left ear as closely as you can. You know, I think you might be done.
I'm finished. finished.
Great work, but you know what needs to happen now? Colouring in.
I think it needs some color. Yay!
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
I'm finished. All done.
Wonderful work, Artie.
Yeah.
He looks so cute.
Yeah.
Marvellous work.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Goodbye, Artie.
See you later, Artie.
Bye, Artie.
Thank you for watching, little artists.